All right. Today's SPY was up 0.43%, and we have a very easy chart. I'm going to walk through everything you need to watch, and today we did bounce, but the bears still do have a valid scenario where we're bouncing to a lower high, and if we come down here and we break to a lower low down below 579, I would suggest getting risk off immediately because there is the possibility we are putting in a pre-election top. So in the event we do break down from a lower high into a lower low, that is going to be an immediate sign to get risk off and then wait for confirmation that support at 573 can hold. So if we break down below 579, we're looking for at least 573, and it's possible we go even lower. So just be very cautious if we get the bearish condition. But more importantly, this is still a bull trend until it's not. Price is above all the moving averages within a bull trend, and it is possible we are pushing higher towards 587. Yesterday, we corrected the overextended condition, and today we did start to bounce again, so we could just ride that upper Bollinger Band to higher prices into the next couple of weeks. So do not rule the bulls out in a bull market and a bull trend. The probabilities are that we are going higher. Even if you can't justify why, that is not how you trade. You always follow what the chart is telling you, and tonight we will look at multiple charts to give you a bigger picture here. So looking at SPY, there is the possibility of the bear scenario. We need more confirmation of the breakdown below support, below 579 to confirm it. And more importantly, if we jump over to the financial sector, you can see we are getting a very parabolic breakout here above a brand new all-time high above 46. And above 46, we could go to 47.6 and even 48.6 if this rally is just going to continue. However, I do want to caution you, this is overextended 4 days outside the upper Bollinger Band. So there is the possibility this is just a little bit of a blow off top, and we're just going to give it all back very quickly, which would bring us all the way back down to 45.8. So watch the financials. I think they're giving a lot of indication here of clear bullish price action, unless it's just simply a blow off top, putting in a top before we see a massive sell off. On top of that, we have the Dow Jones also breaking out to all-time highs outside the upper Bollinger Band and just riding higher towards that price target at 432. And as far as the Dow goes, it's going to continue to look bullish as long as it can hold that breakout above 423 or at least the previous low at 427. So the Dow is looking bullish. On IWM, we had a higher high breakout today and a close above 224. All we need to do is continue to close above 224, and it will look like IWM is trying to push higher towards 230. But again, we are outside the upper Bollinger Band. So look for a little bit of a cool down to retest that breakout at 224 and then likely start pushing higher again towards 230. Unless it was a false breakout. If it's a false breakout, we're just going to trap all the bulls and then see a flush down to lower prices. And that'll be very apparent in the price action because the bulls will fail to hold the support at 224. So again, you see a lot of bullish price action across the board. So unless we're putting in highs or tops, we are going to continue to trend higher. And then that brings us over to the NASDAQ 100 triple Qs, which were relatively weak today, but they did get a hammer candle off of the rising 20 daily moving average. So again, just like SPY, unless we get a lower high and a rejection and we continue lower and we break down below 487, there's no reason to believe the bulls didn't just put in a higher low and they're going to continue pushing higher towards the previous all-time high at 503. And then if they break to a new all-time high, they go to 510. So again, we have bull trends. We are in a bull market. There's nothing on any of the charts I just showed you that says the bears are in control just yet. The bulls are in control until they're not. That is the benefit of being in a bull trend and a bull market. Be an objective trader. If you're shorting, that is completely fine. I'm making plenty of money shorting during day trades, but I'm not swing trading short in a bull market, and that's the difference. If you want to start swing trading short, that is fine as well. Just make sure you manage risk. Once price proves you wrong, take the small loss and don't get stubborn. In a bull market, the path of least resistance is higher prices until we start seeing a trend shift. And all of the charts I just showed you do not show any trend shift. If anything, they're just trend continuation, which tells us the bulls are still in control. So again, it's a bull trend until it's not. Stay 100% objective. You're going to do very well in this market if you manage risk and stay objective. This has been a very easy market to trade, and I expect it to remain that way for the rest of the year. If you want to come crush this market and get access to all of my technical analysis, my intraday updates, and my swing trade ideas, that is all going to be in my Discord server, which you can find out how to join by clicking on the link in the description of this video. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market. And as always, I will see you in the next episode.